The Best of Jamaica 2020 London Results Show. We asked and you responded. So here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in London for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
So London results. What's the best Jamaican patty shop, bakery? And this says, help me with Miss Wonderful. This is the Lincoln's Patisserie.
I would say
Patisserie.
Patisserie.
Patisserie. This is no folks who got London, you know. In a patty shop no more is the London, the Lincoln's, I should say.
Yeah,
the Lincoln's.
You go there and get a patty.
Oh, patisserie.
I wonder if they sell cocoa bread too.
Oh, God, right.
Well, you can't eat patty without cocoa bread.
Without cocoa bread. And what else would how would he change the name for other things in London?
I have no idea. I've never been to London, son.
Oh. Okay, so listen, we go hold on to that one and we go move. But Lincoln's, it's you. Whatever the last pastry or whatever it is, big up. And Paul is there trying to let, yes. And now I hear it's London, but it's French. I hear all these people in the audience, so we can't see because they are social distance, giving me all kind of ideas. It's in London, but it's French. Okay, so we keep it moving. Where's the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? You know, most of these London names kind of different. Hear this one, Jodian. Hear this one. It's the Shepherd's Bush Market. What comes to mind?
Bush.
The Shepherd's Bush Market.
That look like it dead down in one place where you have to just walk, you know, like you're a shepherd and you just look for sheep.
But or maybe it's a psychological thing for all them Jamaicans who used to, you know, like my daddy, who used to go to the goat farm and go run down the goat and watch them dispatch, for another word, more socially acceptable word, to dispatch the goat, and then they would dress the goat. So it probably brings that to mind. But congratulations to Shepherd's Bush Market. What's the best local Jamaican restaurant? And you have to admit it. Yeah, so restaurant?
No, hey, me like it. Let me tell you, it's a revenge. Me like revenge, you know. Let me tell you something. Jesus, me I get in a spirit. Me feel like take off my jacket.
Hold on there, hold on.
Look here. Me looking at the camera and talk the things them.
Yes.
The last time I came, and he was like, oh, so where are you from? And I said, oh, I'm from Jamaica. He's like, you don't sound like you come from Jamaica. And see, they know, 1.5 weeks later, and he come on the live after I'm cuss me say me a fake Jamaican and say, yeah, so.
Do me a
Let me
favor.
just fix my jacket. You're so nice.
Jordan Beggar, give me a break now. Folks.
Put up the white flag. You shouldn't mess with me.
Me nah put up the white flag, but me I feel the heat. But let me tell you something, man. Yasso restaurant?
Yasso. Pronounce after me. Read my lips.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Social distance. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
But
Yasso.
Yasso.
Yeah. You win.
Yasso.
I know Dr. Carolyn Cooper is proud of me right now. I spent a lot of time in her class in Jamaica.
Well, we don't know which class we spend, but okay, folks. We go to Yasso restaurant. So the best place to buy Jamaican grocery, folks, at the Yasso restaurant. Yasso. I appreciate it. Yes, see, we can move. Let me hope so they're not giving nothing more that is too English/French. And then put in a bit of Jamaican night. Because you notice the London people them do. Them get a little bit of French in London.
Yeah.
They get a little pop in London. And then give a little bit of something almost like in Wales from what a place named the Shepherd's Bush Market. So the last one maybe, well, okay, we can't deal with the last one. The Jamaican annual event you miss attending due most to the COVID-19. And it is nothing. No, not
Same
Tish.
thing.
No. Sorry. The TH.
Me know.
No, the
Me know,
effective
man.
speech.
Me know.
The effect.
Me know.
No,
Me
man.
know, man.
I'm not.
Me
The
know.
effect. Let me try. Let me try it again.
Let me tell you
Jesus,
something.
Lord.
Let me tell you something.
You
And
see a
you
white
them
flag on
talk
the
about
place?
when them say you come from Jamaica with not even a little tongue, you have too much.
Lord. Let me go.
Nothing.
Okay, Juliana.
Nothing.
Juliana, let me try
You
this.
know me that catch you,
Juliana,
know?
let me try
tell
this.
you, you know?
Miss
Yeah,
see
me
the
know me that
2T.
catch him.
Miss the 2T. Me I say but I'm nearsighted.
Nothing.
It's nothing. Hill.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.